is a quick tip here, and just because I couldn't find any related video on YouTube, so this is the first one. I am replacing the blower motor on a 2018 Cadillac CTS. This vehicle had many issues, water damage. We replaced this module and the AC module, and I had to program both of them, but the screen was off completely. It had a lock in it. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video for that, but if you guys are interested in replacing your blower motor, there is 3 8mm or Phillips screws. Actually, sorry, star. You can use a flathead also. They hold the blower motor 1, 2, 3, and also there is this little bracket. You have to release it from, let me see, one of the holes right here somewhere, but because this one plugs over here, you can unplug it from both spots, either from the motor itself or from where this goes to. Not sure, but it's there. Anyway, you'll see it. There's a small Phillips screw that holds this one. But anyways, but one of the screws is way this way, so you have to release this airbag, knee airbag on the passenger side, which is held by 2 10mm nuts on both ends, one here and one over there. So once you take them, be careful. Battery, it's better if you disconnect the battery before you play with this. Our issue with the blower motor, we had no air. I checked power. This is 12 volt and ground all the time. This is coming all the time. This is not a regular blower motor. You cannot just give it power ground and you expect it to work. No, it doesn't work like that. It works like power and ground, and this small one gets its signal from the HVAC control module, and it's a pulse with modulated signal. So you cannot check these by providing power and ground unless you have a signal generator, which I do, but I didn't use that. I just told the owner to get me one. They are 200 and something from the dealer. He found one original OEM on eBay for 80 bucks. So we are replacing it. I already checked it. Operation, it works fine. So if you guys are interested,